Students, third problem. Explain why the Lagrange's mean value theorem is not applicable to the following functions in the respect intervals. First question is f of x equal to x plus x. X belongs to minus 1 comma 2. Second question, f of x equal to mod of 3x plus 1. X belongs to minus 1 comma 3. This solution is first question solution given that f of x equal to x plus 1 by x. X belongs to minus 1 comma 2. This middle value is 0. F of 0 equal to 0 plus 1 by 0 equal to 1 by 0 equal to infinity. This is a infinity. This infinite value does not exist. F of x does not exist at x equal to. F of x does not exist. F of x does not exist at x equal to 0. Now, f of x is not continuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. F of x is not continuous in closed interval x closed interval minus 1 comma 2. Therefore the Lagrange's mean value theorem not applicable The second problem given that f of x equal to mod of 3x plus 1 comma x belongs to minus 1 comma 3. Now mod minus 1 x equal to root of minus 1 whole square equal to 1. Yes, this mod x value, this f dash x, f of x equal to root of 3x plus 1 whole square. Derivative, this derivative, why this is a mod of minus 1 x equal to under root of minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 square square root cancel, this is a 1. Now this is applicable. F dash x equal to this derivative of root x, d by dx of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. Again inner derivative 1 by 2 into root of 3x plus 1. This x. Inner derivative 2 into 3x plus 1 into 3. This is again derivative 2 cancel. F dash x equal to this value is whole square, this 3 into 3x plus 1 by mod root 3x whole square. This is a whole square. This root 3x plus 1 whole square. F dash x equal to 3 into 3x plus 1 by mod of 3x plus 1. This value is some x equal to 0, 1, 2. The substitution is value 0. Then f of x is not differentiable in open interval 0, minus 1, 3. 0, minus 3, therefore this Lagrange's mean value theorem is not applicable. Yes, friends, this fourth problem, using the Lagrange's mean value theorem that determined the value of x at which of the tangent is parallel to the secant line at the ends of the points of the given interval. This first question. F of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. X belongs to minus 2, 2. Second problem, f of x equal to x minus 2 into x minus 7, x belongs to close bracket 3, 11. Now the solution is the first question. The Lagrange's mean value theorem conditions is continuous and differentiable, and f of a is not equal to f of b. Then use the Lagrange's mean value theorem. There exists x c belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. These three conditions. First is solution number 1. This solution number 1. Given function f of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2, x belongs to minus 2, 2. X belongs to minus 2, 2. First is condition is f of x is continuous in the closed interval minus 2, 2. Number 2, f of x is differentiable in open interval minus 2, 2. Third condition is f of a is not equal to f of b. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 2. Substitution. F of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube minus into minus 2, x equal to minus 2 plus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus 1 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0. F of minus 2. Next, f of 2 equal to 2 whole cube minus 3 into 2 plus 2 equal to 8 minus 6 plus 2 equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4. F of 2. F of minus 2 is not equal to f of 2. F of minus 2 is not equal to f of 2. There, by using mean value theorem, there exist C belongs to the minus 2 comma 2 such that f dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. The continues. Now f of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 with the derivatives. This with respect to x. F dash x equal to 3x square minus 3x square 3. Next, this is a is equal to 0. This is f dash c equal to 3c square minus 3 is equal to 3c square minus 3 equal to f of 2b is 4 minus 0 by 2 minus 0. 3c square minus 3 equal to 4 by 2. 3c square minus 3 equal to 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. 3c square equal to 3 plus 2. 3c square equal to 5. C equal to 5 by 3. C square C equal to root 5 by 3 belongs to 0 comma 2 minus 2 comma 2. F dash x equal to 3x square minus 3. Constant derivative is 0. X derivative 1. X square cube derivative is 3x square. Yes. Next, this formula derivative d by dx of x power of n formula n into x power of n minus 1. d by dx of x equal to 1. This formulas. This x cube power of n and 3 into x power of 3 minus 1 2. X derivative is 1. This is a f dash c is equal to 3c square minus 3. Formula is now 3c square minus 3 equal to f of 2. F of 2 value is minus f of minus 2 by 2 minus of minus 2. 3c square minus 3 equal to f of 2 4 minus 0 by 2 plus 2 2 plus 2. 3c square minus 3 equal to 4 by 4. This is 1. 3c square minus 3 equal to 1. 3c square minus 3 equal to this value is 4. 3c square equal 4 by 3. C equal to root of 4 by 3. Because C is equal to 2 by root 3. This belongs to minus 2 comma 2. F of x equal to x minus 2 into x minus 7 comma x belongs to close interval 3 comma 11. Solution given that f of x equal to x minus 2 into x minus 7. This is a multiplication. X into x, x square. X into minus 7, minus 7x. Next, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 7, plus 14 equal to x square minus 9x plus 14. This is a f of x. This is a multiplication. X into x, x square. X square into minus 7, minus 7x. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 7 plus 14x. X square minus 7x minus 2x, so minus 9x plus 14. This x belongs to close 3 comma 11. X belongs to 3 comma 11. First Lagrange's mean value. First condition is f of x is continuous in close interval 3 comma 11. Close interval 3 comma 11. Number 2 condition, f of x is differentiable in open interval 3 comma 11. Next, third condition is most important. Third condition, f of a is not equal to f of b. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 11. Next, the function is f of x equal to 3, substitution this function 3, f of 3 equal to 3 whole square minus 9 into 3 plus 14 plus 14. 3 whole square nothing but 9 minus 9 3 ja 27 plus 14 equal to 14 plus 9 23 minus 27 equal to 23 minus 27 is minus 4. This is f of 3. Again, next x equal to 11. F of 11 equal to x value substitution 11 whole square minus 9 into 11 plus 14. 11 whole square is 121 minus 9 into 11 99 plus 14 equal to 121 minus 99 value is 22. 22 plus 14 equal to 36. F of 11. 121 minus 99, this 22 plus 14. 22 plus 14 equal to 36. This f of value is 3. F of 3 is not equal to f of 11. By using Lagrange's mean value theorem, there exists C belongs to open interval is 3 comma 11 such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now f of x value is f of x value is x square minus 9x plus 14. The derivative this with respect to x, f dash x equal to x square derivative is 2x minus 9. Constant derivative is 0. This f dash c is equal to 2c minus 9. F dash c equal to 2c minus 9. F of 3 equal to minus 4. F of 11 equal to 3. This is a f of a. This is a f dash c is equal to 2c minus 9. F of a is equal to f of 3 equal to minus 4. F of b is equal to f of 11 equal to 36. These values. Now formula is f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. F dash c value is 2c minus 9. F of b value is, this is a f of 11 equal to 36. Equal to 36 minus of f of 11 minus f of 3 by 11 minus 4 equal to 2c minus 9 equal to f of 11 value is 36 minus f of 3 value is minus 4 by 11 minus 8. 2c minus 9 equal to 36 minus into minus plus 4 by 8. 2c minus 9 equal to, this is a 36 plus 4 equal to 40 by 8. 8 1 ja 8 5 sa. 2c minus 9 equal to 5. 2c equal to 9 plus 5. 2c equal to 14. 2 1 ja 2 7 ja C is equal to 7 belongs to open interval is 3 comma 11. This is a answer, C value. Student, and fifth problem, show that the value in the conclusion of the mean value theorem for conclusion. This is a function is mean value theorem means Lagrange's mean value theorem. This is a Lagrange's mean value conclusion for f of x equal to 1 by x on closed interval of positive number. Closed interval a comma b is under root of a b. This solution. This is the answer under root of a b. C value is under root of a b. Conclusion. Next, second question, f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And f of x is capital Ax square plus capital Bx plus capital C. On any interval, closed interval a comma b is a plus b by 2. This is a final answer. This is a correct or not is a conclusion. This is also geometric. This solution is first question solution. Given that f of x equal to 1 by x and closed interval a comma b. Now f of x, thus mean value theorem first is f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b. Next, number 2, f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b. Open interval a comma b. Third condition is f of a is not equal to f of b. This f of a, this substitution, f of a is equal to 1 by a, f of b is equal to 1 by b. This is not equal to these values. Then the Lagrange's mean value theorem, using Lagrange's mean value theorem, there exists C belongs to a comma b such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now f dash x, now f of x equal to 1 by x. This formula is d by dx of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. This formula. This is a d by dx 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. This is f dash x equal to minus 1 by x square. F dash c is equal to minus 1 by c square. Now formula is f dash c value minus 1 by c square. F of b value is 1 by b minus 1 by a by b minus a. Minus 1 by c square equal to LCM is ab. This a b b and this b a minus b by b minus a. This minus 1 by c square equal to a, take the minus common, b minus a into this multiplication ab into b minus a. This cancel. Minus 1 by c square equal to, now minus 1 by c square equal to minus of 1 by ab. Both sides minus, the reverse. C square equal to ab. C is equal to plus or minus under root of ab. Plus or minus. The C is equal to under root of ab belongs to A comma B, this value is, next value does not exist. C belongs to this under root of minus AB. C is equal to minus AB does not belongs to close interval, open interval A comma B. This C is equal to under root of AB is a geometrical mean GP. This is a C is equal to under root of geometrical progresses GP. This is a. And dear students, fifth law second problem. Second problem, f of x equal to capital AX square plus capital BX plus C on any interval, close interval A comma B is A plus B by 2. This is question. Now solution is given that f of x equal to ax square bx plus c, x belongs to close interval A comma B. Now f of x is continuous in close interval A comma B. F of x is differentiable in A comma B. Now third condition, first and second and third condition is f of A is not equal to f of B. This is a f of A is equal to A into A square plus B into A plus C. F of B, A into B square plus B into B into plus C. This is a f of A is not equal to f of B. The mean value theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem. There exists C belongs to open interval A comma B such that f dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. Now f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. The derivative differential in both sides, f of x equal to 2ax. X square derivative is 2x. X derivative is 1 plus b. This is a f dash c is equal to 2ac plus b. Now all values f of A, f of B values and C values. The substitution this f dash C value is 2ac plus b equal to f of B, AB square plus BB plus C minus of this A square plus B A plus C by B minus A. Now this multiplication minus AB square plus BB plus C minus A square minus BA plus C minus C by B minus A. Minus C की plus C cancel. Take the common A, capital A. B square minus A square. This capital A common B square. This minus capital A minus A square. Take the B into B minus A. This take the capital B minus A by B minus A. This is A into A square minus B square formula. A square minus B square formula. A plus B into A minus B. This is a B square minus A formula, same. b square plus b plus a into b minus a plus b minus a by is b minus a. Take the common b minus a, b minus a common into a into b plus a plus b by b minus a. This is cancelled. This is taken LHS is 2ac plus b equal to capital A of a plus b. This is a plus b, b plus a is right the a plus b plus capital B by, this is a capital B, cancel. 2ac is equal to a into a plus b. This is a cancel. The c is equal to a plus b by 2. This belongs to a comma b. This answer. This formula c is equal to a plus b by 2 is AP. This is a AP. A comma b comma c are any AP arithmetic progress. This c is equal to a plus b by 2 is AP arithmetic progresses. Next, sixth problem. And here students, a race, car driver is kilometer, racing is 20 kilometers. It is speed never exceeds 150 kilometers per hour. What is this maximum kilometers he can cover in the next 2 hours? Next 2 hours. This textbook is mistake is this racing. Next is cover. This textbook is mistakes. This is a car driver is racing a car driver in a kilometer racing 20 kilometers. His speed is never exceed 150 kilometer. What is the maximum kilometer we can cover 2 hours? Let solution. Let f of t be the distance covered at time t hours. At time t hours. Suppose f of 0 is equal to 20. F of 2 hours is a question mark. F dash c is less than or equal to 150. They say the time 0 is 20 kilometers. A is equal to 0. This is 20 kilometers. After next 2 hours, B is equal to, this find out. This is a F dash is equal to 150 less than or equal, exceed. That his speed never exceed is 150 kilometers. F dash C is less than or equal to 150 kilometers. Now F dash C is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. A is equal to this 0, b is equal to f dash. This f dash c is equal to f of b, f of 2 minus f of 0, 20 by 2 minus 0. This less than or equal to 150. This is less than or equal to 150 kilometers. Equal to f of 2 minus 20 by 2 less than or equal to 150. F of 2 is minus 20 less than or equal to 150 into 2, the cross multiplication. F of 2 is minus 20 less than or equal to 52 30, 300. F of minus 2 less than or equal to 300 plus 20, this outside. F of 2 is less than or equal to 320. These two conditions. F of 2 is less than or equal to 320. This E can cover, you can cover 320 kilometers, 320 kilometers per hour. The next 2 hours. 2 hours. Dear students, the seventh problem. Suppose that for a function f of x, comma, f dash x less than or equal to 1, for all 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, such that 4 of a minus 4 of 1 less than or equal to 4. This is a condition. F dash c less than or equal to 1. This is a meaning. Derivative value less than 1. This for intervals. For all, this is for all x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 4. This is this. For all, this symbol, for all symbol is for all. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, this x belongs to 1 comma 4. Any doubts this? This solution is given that f of x less than or equal to 1 for all 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. This implies this x belongs to 1 comma 4. X belongs to 1 comma 4. This is a upper limit is a is equal to 4, 1, b is equal to 4. This shows that f of b minus f of a. This f dash c less than or equal to 1. The first condition is this is f of x is continuous in closed interval 1 comma 4. Number 2, f of x is differentiable in open interval 1 comma 4. Open interval 1 comma 4. Now, f of a is not equal to f of b are necessary condition. This is the definition is Lagrange mean value theorem, necessary sufficient condition f of a is not equal to f of b. Now, Lagrange's mean value theorem is f dash x equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. b minus f of, this is a c or f of x equal to f of b, this b value is 4. f of 4 minus f of 1 is 4 minus 1. This value is less than or equal to f of x. Since f of x less than or equal to 1. This is f of 4 minus f of 1 by 3 less than or equal to 1. This value is this value less than or equal to 1. This is f of x value. F of x value is less than or equal to 1. This is f of 4 minus f of 1 less than or equal to 3. Hence proved. Problem. And dear student, 8th problem. Does there exist differentiable function f of x such that f of 0 equal to minus 1, f of 2 equal to 4, and for all x less than or equal to 2, x less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 2, for all x. Justify your answer. Justify. This is a condition is verified. Does there exist differentiable function? This is a there exists differentiable function such that f of 0 equal to minus 1, a equal to 0, f of a equal to f of 0 equal to minus 1, f of b is equal to f of b is equal to f of 2 equal to 4. For all f dash x less than 2, this differential is less than 2. Prove it. Solution. Given that this is a f of 0 equal to minus 1, f of 2 equal to 4, a is equal to 0, b equal to 2. This equal to f of a is equal to f of 0 equal to minus 1, f of b is equal to f of 2 equal to 4. Next, this is this f of x is continuous at n close interval 0, 4. This mean value theorem is next this is given that f of dash x less than or equal to 2. This value using mean value theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem, C belongs to 0, 4 such that f dash equal to f of b minus f of a, b minus a, f dash c, f of b, this is a f of 2 minus f of 0 by is 4 minus 2 minus 0 equal to f of 2, 4 minus of minus 1 by 2. This is a f dash c equal to 4 plus minus into minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This is a f dash c is equal to 5 by 2 equal to 2.5. This is a f dash value is f dash c is equal to 2.5 less than or equal to 2, does not. Listen. C is equal to 2.5. This is a C is f dash x. This is a f dash x. F dash x equal to 2.5. This next f dash x cannot any point in 0, 4. There does not exist a differentiable function f of x. F dash cannot be 2.5 any point in interval 0, 2. There exists there does not exist a differentiable function of f of x. This way, f dash x cannot be 2.5 any point in 0.2. There does not exist a differentiable function in f of x. Ninth problem. Show that there lies a point on the curve f of x equal to x into x plus 3 into e power of minus 5 by 3 minus 3 less than x less than 0. Where tangent drawn is parallel to x-axis. This function, this for all x belongs to minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. This converted to closed bracket. This is converted to closed bracket where tangent drawn parallel to x-axis. First given function f of x equal to x into x plus 3 e power of minus 5 by 3 is minus 3 x less than 0. This implies x belongs to close interval minus 3 comma 0. Close interval minus comma 0. This function, this is a f of x is first, this is continuous in close interval minus 3 comma 0. Number 2, f of x is differentiable in open interval minus 3 comma 0. This. Next, third condition, f of a, this is a third condition. A is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 0. This f of a equal to f of 0 equal to 0 into 0 plus 3 to e power of minus by 3. 0, something, 3 into 0, 0. Next, f of b is equal to f of minus 3 equal to minus 3 into minus 3 plus 3 e power of minus 5 by 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 into plus 3, 0. This is a f of a is equal to f of b. This theorem not equal to Lagrange's mean theorem. Equal to is Rolle's theorem. This is a Rolle's theorem. By using Rolle's theorem, there exist C belongs to minus 3 comma 0 such that f dash c equal to 0. F dash c equal to 0. F dash f of x equal to x into x plus 3 e power of minus 5 by 3. This is a f dash x UV formula. UV formula is known. This is a d by dx of UV. d by dx of UV. U dash V plus UV dash. This is a f dash x equal to x into this is derivative into 1 plus 0. The derivative. Say u derivative. U derivative is 1 into x plus 3. Next this is a plus. And next is derivative x into 1 plus 0 is e power of minus 5 by 3 equal to x plus 3 plus x into e power of minus 5 by 3 equal to 2x plus 3 into e power of minus 5 by 3. This is f dash x. Now f dash c is equal to 0. F dash c is equal to, this is a 2c plus 3 e power of minus 5 by 3 equal to 0. This term 2c plus 3, this term outside, 0 by e power of minus 3 equal to 0. 2c equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 3 by 2. This belongs to minus is 1 point, minus 3 comma 0. 10th problem. This using the mean value theorem, prove that for a greater than 0, b greater than 0, mod of e power of minus a minus mod of e power of minus b less than mod less a minus b. This is a proof. This function is, this is a e power of minus x. Function is the function f of x equal to e power of minus x. This limit is a greater than 0, b greater than the closed interval a comma b, x belongs. The function is e power of minus x. Any doubts? This mean value theorem, proof. This let f of x equal to e power of minus x. The interval x belongs to closed interval a comma b is a greater than 0, b greater than 0. A greater, the given question, a greater than 0, b greater than 0. That prove that modulus e power of minus a minus e power of minus b less than modulus f a minus b. This proof. This first is f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b. Number 2, f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b. These two conditions is satisfied. Next, third is f of a equal to f of a is equal to e power of minus a. F of b equal to b is equal to e power of minus b. F of a is not equal to f of b. Yes, f of a is not equal to f of b. This is Lagrange's mean value theorem. By mean value theorem, there exists C belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now condition also, this f of x e power of minus x, f dash x equal to e power of minus x minus e power of minus c. F dash c is equal to minus e power of minus c. X replaced with c. Now since this f dash x less than or equal 1, this formula f dash x less than or equal 1, the substitution is minus e power of minus c equal to f of b e power of minus b minus e power of minus a by b minus a. Now y is equal to e power of x curve. Y is equal to e power of minus x curve is diagram. This x-axis, this y-axis. This curve is 0, 1. Decreasing. This is a 0, 1. This is origin comma. This is a x equal to a. This is a x equal to b. This is x equal to c. This curve is decreasing. F of x less than or equal to 1. Now e power of minus c mod less than or equal to 1. Yes, e power of minus x, e power of minus equal to less than or equal to 1. This always this e power of minus b minus e power of a by b minus a. This value mod both sides e power of minus c equal to mod. This is a e power minus b minus e power minus a by this mod take the common is take the minus e power of minus c, take the minus common e power of minus a minus e power of b by minus a minus b is cancelled. This mod apply mod e power of minus c equal to mod e power of minus a minus e power of b equal to a minus b. This minus e power of minus c mod equal to mod of e power minus a minus e power of b by mod a minus b. Problem e power of minus c mod less than or equal to 1. This mod e power of minus c equal to modulus of e power minus a minus e power minus b by a minus b. Yes, this value is less than or equal to 1. This e mod of e power of minus a minus e power minus b mod a minus b. This value is less than or equal to 1. E power minus a minus e power b. This less than or equal to less than. This less than a minus b. Answer